The market theme Iran peace deal overshadows hawkish Fed concerns. Amidst this backdrop, banking stocks are powering higher, while IT stocks are lagging on higher US rate concerns. The biggest positive catalyst, crude slips below $75 to a 3-month low as US-Iran peace deal and Hormuz reopening ease supply fears. The two biggest headwind: 1. A slightly below normal monsoon forecast. 2. FIIs dump 1,74,000 crore rupees in FY27. Our call of the day: bulls are likely to regroup at lower levels as Brent back to pre-war levels, gas sinks below $4. Falling energy prices could trigger Nifty's bullish comeback. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of rupees 1025 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of only rupees 3517 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play on the upside. FNO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged near 12.67 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, has cooled towards 94.47 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.15. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.87. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.15. Nifty outlook: markets appear focused on the bigger picture, reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, easing crude prices, and improving global risk sentiment. Risk-on mood shall continue. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,168. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,915 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,257 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,000 and 24,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,410. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,600 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 78,450 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,700 to 77,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,964. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,300 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In the last 5 trading sessions, the Nifty has surged around 4.35%. The benchmark will now aim to rise for a 6th straight session this Friday. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. New India Assurance surged 14.2% on plans to sell 1 crore National Stock Exchange shares in the upcoming IPO. 2. Bata India rallied 18% after announcing a leadership reshuffle. 3. Max Healthcare Institute emerged as top Nifty gainer, up 6.5%. 4. Tata Motors gained 1.3% on reports that it will hike commercial vehicle prices by up to 2.5% from 1st July. Price hike aims to partly offset rising commodity and input costs. Move seen as margin supportive, though demand sensitivity remains key. Stocks closed in red. IFCI tanked 10% to 80 rupees and 71 paise amid heavy profit booking. Selling pressure followed National Stock Exchange's DRHP filing for its mega IPO.